you how to build a volcano.
The next volcano is a building mark. Is that a volcano? It's a building. It's a building, Mommy. It's a building mark. Ano ba ni right ini? Yan po ni mo mauso. Ano ba yung right?
You do like this also.
Ay, ayaw, makayaw nga na bakang gamot.
Yoy! Lingon. Wow, look at the phone.
Well, that's amazing.
Ayo, no, like this. Let's put some stone.
Okay, so right here.
No, not that one.
Okay.
This one. Wow.
That's a volcano?
Let's put another one.
No, Mommy, no. Kani, nag-building ko. Kani man ang volcano, Mommy, na. Dada! Dada, ang tawa mong building.
Wow. Nice.
Thanks. Mommy, do another one. Yes, sir. Sige naman.
Wait.
Atong buwan na to siya nilas na. Picture. Yay, I like it. Sand
This is
volcano. This is volcano. Oh, it's fire. Fire. Mama. Mama. Ba't sa mama ba kayo kahungaw? Ikaw kasi mo kamukha. Anyway. Alam mo,
okay, enough na.
Wala ninyo.
Tada!
Oh.
Tindog ka duha.
Yay, volcano.
Asa man nag-imuha? Kato.
Yeah.
Kani ako.
Yeah. Mami, mag-dream ako house, Mami.